Hey everybody, this is a 1904 Wesco Supply pancake fan. These were made originally by Emerson. Some of them were branded for their Trojan brand, but this particular one, which is much more rare, was badged Wesco. And sold specifically by Wesco Supply Company. It's a very, very primitive shaded pole motor. It's a pancake motor. These were actually called the Trojan pancakes. You can see it's got a weird flat profile. I love that brass oil sling on the motor. And if you turn them around all the way, there's the tag, Wesco Supply, and there's the big shiny rotor. You can just reach right in there and spin it with your finger. Or if you turn the blades, you can see the rotor turning. These are very, very weak motors, very primitive. If you can see there, it's kind of hard. In there, the shading coils are actually real coils of wire instead of solid copper bands. These things are very weak, but once they get going, boy, they get up a lot of momentum with the heavy rotor and the heavy blades. Let's crank them up. As you see, he'll start pretty slowly. There he goes. I'm going to kind of turn them aside here so we don't get nothing but air sound. Slowly but surely. There he goes. That is high speed. You can hear the shaded pole motor humming. There's the rotor spinning around. It's 2-speed. So, let me just turn it. I put my fingers in the blades too. Just chopped off all my fingers. High speed, low speed. There it is. There's not that big of a difference between the speeds. But these were introduced supposedly at the St. Louis, Missouri World's Fair in 1904. This model, the pancake style fan. Very, very heavy machine, weighs about 35 pounds, all cast iron and brass. Great fan, and I've been running them all night. My friend helped me put a new shaft and bearing in it, so he's ready to run for another 100 years. Let's shut them off. And listen how they coast. Looks like this video is going to run out too.